Sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, bagel. Do those things sound good to you?
Yes.
Well, how does this sound? What if I told you you could have all those ingredients in a big, tasty bagel breakfast sandwich that's only 400 calories and has 52 grams of protein? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make it right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. So recently I saw an ad for these Royo bagels, and this is not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to try them because they're only 70 calories each, 9 grams of protein, and they are full-size bagels, not bagel thins. I immediately was like, I've got to get these and try making some breakfast sandwiches. These things make some big, tasty breakfast sandwiches. I am very hungry right now, so if you're ready, let's get cooking. Okay, as usual, the cast iron griddle is preheating on medium heat. I'm going to take a square of parchment paper, put it on a food scale, and we are going to weigh out 4 ounces of homemade breakfast sausage. This is a lean homemade breakfast sausage that you can make, and if you want to know how to make it, I've got a link to the video and the recipe in the description, or just combine all of these ingredients right here. We're going to weigh out 4 ounces of this breakfast sausage. All right, that's good. Let me wash my hand and take off my ring, and then we'll make a patty. Okay, so nice and simple. We just want to form this into a round patty that is big enough to fit on a bagel. So I'm going to flatten it out, and I'm just going to keep on turning it, trying to smooth out the edges and make this a nice circle. All right, and I think that looks pretty good. And yes, this sausage patty is a 1/4 pounder, which sounds like a lot for sausage, but it's lean. 4 ounces of this has the same calories as only 2 ounces of Jimmy Dean sausage.
Wake up, feel just like a tight pair of pants, ready to rip.
Now we're going to take our 70-calorie bagel and slice it in half carefully. There we go. And the last thing we'll do before we start cooking is prep our egg mixture. So I've got 80 grams of egg beaters. And to this, I'm gonna add 20 grams of fat-free shredded cheddar. I'll also add about 1 gram of garlic salt, 0.2 grams of black pepper. And I like some hot sauce in there, so I'm just gonna add some Frank's Red Hot, 0 calories, and I'll just add it to taste. Just put a few drops in there. You can add as much or as little as you want, depending on how hot you like it. Now we just stir it all together. And that is that. Nice and simple. All right, let's move to the stove. The first thing we're gonna do is crisp our bacon. I am using Smithfield fully cooked bacon because this stuff is very low in calories. It's already cooked, but this will make it crispy. So, a little spray. I'm just gonna put the bacon right on here. It will not take long. As you can see, it's already getting sizzly. All right, after a few seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. Also gonna move it around a little bit to get some of this bacon grease on the griddle. You'll see why in a moment. One more time, I'm gonna flip it. I think this is basically ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and put it on a paper towel to try to absorb a little extra grease. And now we're gonna take our bagel and toast it right here in that bacon grease. I'm gonna rub it around just to try to get it to soak it up. Let this sit here and get a little toasty.
Toasty.
All right, let's see how this thing looks. That looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate. Take the bottom and take the top. All right, there we go. Nice and simple.
Now, wasn't that simple, darlings?
Now I'm gonna try and do the sausage and eggs at the same time. Sausage is gonna be on the stove, eggs are gonna be in the microwave. I have got one of these French cookware dishes. It's nice and big enough to make a big round egg. I'm gonna spray it with some olive oil cooking spray. Go ahead and put our egg mixture on in there. And now I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Gonna let that cook for 3 minutes, so I'll hit 3. Now I'll spray the stove, and we will put on our sausage patty. Because this is nice and thin, it'll cook quickly. Ooh, look at that, you hear that sizzle? Now I like a little extra pepper and salt, so I'm gonna sprinkle this with just a little salt and pepper. I'll flip that over in just a moment when it's ready. Okay, this is good to flip. Yeah, look at that, beautifully seared. Eggs are about halfway done. That's also about halfway done. Let's go ahead and get our bagel ready. All right, that sausage looks good to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on our bagel. Let's go ahead and put that on the bottom half. just like that. Now I'm gonna put a slice of Food Club fat-free cheese on here. You can also use Kraft. Now I'll add the bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and crisscross it like that. That's how I feel like doing it today. And the eggs are ready, so let's go ahead and take this out carefully because it is going to be hot. Might need to use these tongs to make sure it's loosened up enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the egg and place the egg on the sandwich. All right, and there we go. And now we just place the top half of the bagel and we are done. And would you look at this, folks. Here we are, this beautiful, low-calorie, high-protein, gigantic bagel breakfast sandwich. My goodness, this thing is huge. You see the size of this thing. This thing is gigantic.
You can't believe how huge she was. She was bigger than my great-great-grandmother.
It's massive, and it's only 400 calories, 52 grams of protein. Whew. Well, I just got to take a big old bite and see how we did. Here we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. And you see it's got everything I said at the beginning. Sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, bagel.
The 5 food groups.
All together, all delicious. Yeah, that's pretty tasty and pretty low in calories for a sandwich that's nearly as big as my head. I will say the Royo bagel's texture, it's a little bit softer than your average bagel, but at the same time, it's only 70 calories, where I think some store-bought bagels are over 200, so it's so low in calories and it's so big. You get 4 ounces of sausage and the 80 grams of the egg, and you get 2 strips of bacon. Bacon!
It's bacon!
It's real pork sausage, real pork bacon. Even got that melted cheese in there. And it's 400 calories.
That's crazy.
Okay, so I'm starving. Let me finish this and then we'll go over the macros.
12 seconds later.
Oh yeah, that was filling and satisfying. So now, the macros. As I've said, the whole sandwich is 400 calories, 41 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, 52 grams of protein. It's nuts. So low in calories for something so big and so filling, and 52 grams of protein. That's pretty darn good for something that is that big, tasty, and satisfying, and it's something that you can enjoy anytime, guilt-free. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Coggies Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any ideas for recipes you might like to see in the future, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you're interested in seeing. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating. I wish I had another.
Field is like a tight pair of pants ready to rip.